Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna talk about my favorite subject, aka Twitch. If you guys don't know, my name is Syara. People know me as Chibi. I've been a streamer on Twitch for close to 3 years. Twitch has been a very interesting platform. You get to play a bunch of video games, you get to make a lot of friends. You also get to make like some extra income, which is always really nice. Let's just get right into it from A to Z. So first things first, what are you gonna need when you want to start streaming on Twitch? You're gonna need a computer. It doesn't have to be a PC. You can also stream on a Mac. You can also stream on your phone. If you're using a PC, all you're gonna need is your computer, a microphone, and a camera. I use the C920 and this is the AT2020. However, you do not need all these fancy stuff because when I started, I used this. This was my Apple phone microphone and it works perfectly fine. I used to stream like this. I would just have one monitor and I would go on the Twitch app. So I'll go to my channel and I will literally look at chat from here. Nothing's happening right now because I am not streaming. If you're an absolute beginner, this is what you're gonna need when you stream on a Mac. Absolutely nothing. You literally just need your computer. Hello, me. Hello. Okay, now that we got the hardware down, let's talk about software. First things first, you're gonna need a Twitch account. Duh. There are other platforms that are easy, but the ones that I used for all these years and it has never changed has been Streamlabs and OBS. Guys, welcome to the gaming setup. You're gonna need a Twitch account and a Streamlabs account, and you're gonna have to download OBS. These are the 3 steps, very easy. Let's start with Twitch. Alright, this is what the Twitch website looks like. So when you log in and when you make an account, I don't gotta teach you how to do that. I'm gonna assume that you're not dumb. We're gonna go to channel. Alright, when you hit channel, you're gonna see this page. This is gonna be your home page. These are your previous VODs. VODs means video on demand, which means it's kind of a recap of your entire stream. So if you stream for 7 hours, it's gonna show 7 hours on there. And then you have your categories underneath, and you're gonna have people that you host. But I'll talk about all the Twitch lingo in a second. Next thing you're gonna need is you're gonna need a Streamlabs account. When you get to the Streamlabs website, it says login. So you want to make a new account. Technically you don't have to, you just kind of connect your Streamlabs with your Twitch. You want to go to all widgets and you want to go to stream labels down here. Okay, choose your platform and I'm going to choose Windows and you're going to want to save that. And if I haven't already shown you, you can find the OBS platform right here. You want to go to Windows and then you're going to want to install it. Okay, the thing with Streamlabs is you're going to see a download button right here, but you're going to want to just ignore it because this will be Streamlabs OBS. Streamlabs OBS is not this. The reason why I like regular OBS over Streamlabs OBS is because regular OBS, you can crop stuff. You can add little widgets on it where you can get people to interact with your stream a lot easier. There's a lot of creativity that you can do with Streamlabs OBS. What's cool about it is you don't have to install stream labels because the OBS itself has all of it in. However, a lot of things are locked behind a paywall. If you would like any cool things related to your stream, you can't really do it manually. By the way, you guys don't have to worry about anything. I'll link all the things that you need down below. Now that you have stream labels and OBS, we can get the party started. Open up OBS, it's gonna look like this. It'll probably just show a black screen because you probably wouldn't really have anything. You're gonna wanna hit this plus sign right here to make a new scene. I have like 5 different scenes right now. And then you need to put a source in that scene, right? Okay, otherwise it'll just be like a blank screen. Your microphone will be under audio input capture. Create new microphone. I already have one right here, but I'm just doing this just to kind of show you guys how to do it. And then it will prompt you to choose. And then the desktop going out will be your audio output capture. So when you go to your audio output capture, just call it desktop. Hit OK. If you set it up right, whatever you play on your browser, you should be able to see this. Alright, you see that? Okay. Now that you have your audio out of the way, let's add your camera. So hit video capture device, put camera. It will show you this. You choose your HD webcam and then you should see yourself. And once you do that, you're gonna wanna hit your Alt button and you can like crop it. So if you downloaded Streamlabs OBS, you cannot really crop your stuff. And this is why I like regular OBS because you can do things like this. If you don't want your background to move, you just hit the lock signs and then see like now nothing can move. Capiche? Ignore display capture. Display capture is pretty much us just recording our entire screen. If you want to add your game, so you want to go to game capture. You have to choose capture specific window. And then under window, you want to choose Final Fantasy. If it works well, when I uncheck it, as you can see, you can hear the audio. You want to share your Firefox window, or that will be under window capture. And voila, there you go. The next step is to actually have whatever is on your OBS and put it on your Twitch platform. So if you want to stream it on here, you want to go to your creator dashboard. Okay, you want to go to settings, you want to go to stream. You see this primary stream key right here? You want to copy it. You're going to want to go to settings. You want to go to stream and paste it on there. Now that you have that, you can hit start streaming and it should show on your channel. Now, when somebody donates or when somebody follows you, as a streamer, you're going to want to have that pop up on your screen. How do you do that? Go back to streamlabs.com and you're going to hit alert box. You're going to want to see the little widget URL. You want to copy it. You want to go back to OBS, hit add a browser, and then you can call it alert. So you want to copy and paste that onto here. Hit OK, and it should be a transparent thing. And this is where the cool part starts, okay? When you hit test follow, it should show up here. Wherever that you decided to put your alert box, it should show up. Let me explain what this means. Your follows are people that followed you. Subscriptions are people who pay to follow you. So there's 3 different subscriptions on Twitch. There's a $5 option, there's a $10 option, and there's a $25 option. So when somebody subscribes, you're always going to want to thank them. You have your donations, which is pretty much when you link your PayPal to your Streamlabs account. You can do that in settings. Now, host means that you are hosting someone on your channel. I'm just going to use her as an example. So you're going to want to type /host Lily Pichu. This is what it looks like. See, it says that I am now hosting Lily Pichu. Do remember that you can only host one person at a time. Now let's talk about bits. Think of bits as like money. So 100 bits is $1. 500 bits is $5, 1500 bits is $15. So people actually have to pay extra for them to donate $15 over to you, but you get straight up the $15. Bits is a safe way for you to receive donations because PayPal sometimes has chargeback. It doesn't happen very often, but it does happen sometimes when somebody, maybe a kid, uses somebody else's credit card. Let's go to the next one, raids. So once you're done with streaming and you want to end your stream, every single viewer that you have accumulated through the time that you're streaming, you're sending all of your followers over to a different channel. And this is good practice within Twitch because raiding helps you make friends with people. It helps people notice you as a streamer. Of course, you don't have to, but it is good to if you like to grow. If you're trying to look for people to raid and you're not really following any channels, you can hit browse. Pro tip, you want to raid someone who is streaming in the same category that you're streaming in. So for example, if I'm streaming Phasmophobia, like I could choose between all these people that are streaming Phasmophobia. Especially if you're just starting out, I would recommend rating a channel between 10 to 100 viewers at the time, just because it'll make it a lot easier for the streamer to see who you are. Usually the streamers that are within the thousands, sometimes they turn off their raid command. So you want to find channels that will actually notice when you do rate them. There's this girl right here, and then I just hit /raid and I copy her username, Maria Catalina, and it'll count down to the time that it's actually going to rate her. But I'm going to hit cancel because I'm not actually streaming right now. I'm offline. I wish that somebody taught me all this when I first started streaming because I had no idea what bits, what rates, what any of these things are. So I hope that this helps you a little bit. Let's go back to the Twitch website real quick because there's something that I do want to show you. Let's go to some random person's channel, okay? So for example, this is Strawberry17. You will see that she has her background and this is what it looks like. She doesn't have a channel trailer. It's just going to show your previous VODs, but those videos are really long, and sometimes when somebody is just trying to find a new streamer, they want to know who you are. So you want to hit edit channel trailer. So this trailer right here, you're gonna want to find it here under featured content. You can just upload it and everything is pretty self-explanatory. All right, so quick recap once again of what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a Twitch account, you're gonna want to need an OBS account, and you're gonna want to need a Streamlabs account. And once you have all three, you're gonna want to install OBS and Stream Labels. I'll put the link down below, and you're pretty much all set. Always be interactive. Imagine going to a stream and someone is just Or someone is actually like, hey, what's up you guys? We're playing this game today, blah, blah, blah. Even if nobody is talking in your chat at the moment, just talk as if you're entertaining a room full of people. Do not advertise your stream when somebody else is streaming. Don't ever say, hey guys, I'm gonna stream right now. Or like, alright, I'm leaving, I'm gonna go stream now. It's kind of like going to someone's house and then telling them, hey everyone, come to my house instead. You know what I mean? So don't do that. It's gonna make you look like a clown. The better way to do it, if you do want people to go show up to your stream, there's many different platforms. I recommend Twitter, I recommend Reddit. You can use your Instagram, and you kind of build your following from that. I think the easiest way to grow is when you rate somebody else or when you host somebody else, because streamers always appreciate that. You could be streaming to nobody, but if you rate someone, then the streamer will be alerted that, oh, this person is a streamer. Just do your thing, enjoy yourself. Hello, me. Hello. If this video was helpful to you and if you liked it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm posting a video every single day for 30 days this month, which I'm pretty excited about. I hope you enjoy your new home in Twitch. And as I always say, when you're part of the Chibi family, you say #winning team. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.